Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you the secret method how to get unlimited egg coin with this awesome Eggy Party hack. This hack tutorial is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. As you can see, I've already used it and it works great. Say goodbye to hours of grinding. Now you can instantly unlock unlimited resources. But how does it work? So if you want to learn, don't miss this video, where I'll show you the whole process in this step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for it. Then open your internet browser and go to this website. As you can see, you will find many modded apps and games here. They all offer amazing features, but let's focus on the topic of the guide. Search for Eggy Party and click on it. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. After that, you will see a page with some information about the app. To start injection, just click on that orange button. Then, the website will start injecting the mod. This process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. In most cases, you will see a message that says injection completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish. This step might vary depending on your device, model, and operating system, but it's usually simple: verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this hack. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will skip the video here and come back to you when I am done the verification process. Okay, I'm back. It took me a few minutes, which I think is not too long and totally worth it. Once you are done all necessary actions, just launch your game and enjoy the unlimited resources. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you.